Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria, but you can call me Marz. So I am a student and I stay at res or a hostel, whatever you want to call it, and that means I do my own grocery shopping, which is what I'm about to do today in this video, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I've made a list. Let me show you my little list. I make my list in my Samsung notes most of the time. So we have it here. Of course, there's some things that I may have forgotten, but usually if I forgot about it, it's not that important. I am going to take some of my own plastic bags, not plastic bags, my own bags to use, and pack my purse and book an Uber, and we can go. Pack your bags, we're leaving today. What is taking you so long? Don't look back, we're on our way. Turn up our favorite song. We're going wherever the wind blows, and I'd rather ride along the way. Forget the past, we'll be okay. Let's both sing out loud with open eyes. Avocados are like a must-have. So these are all too many. I don't need 5 avocados, if I'm being honest.
I can't pretend it, can't pretend, oh no. Whoa. I can't pretend it, can't pretend it. Don't feel right, no, don't feel right. I can't pretend it, I can't pretend it. Don't feel, no, don't feel right. I can't pretend it, I can't pretend it. Don't feel right. You say I'm out my mind, that I'm
I usually prefer to take the cut cabbage because I don't need this. This is just too big and it's gonna end up rotting in my fridge. So I would usually just take this one. I think this would do.
now I know the flame has gone. If you were to leave me, I would be fine. No, I don't need you wasting my time. Try to fight it, can't deny it, 'cause this feeling's way too strong. So if I turn to leave, oh, don't you question me. No, you ain't gonna play me twice. No, no, I gave you honesty, but you went on for me. I can't pretend it don't feel right.
Okay. I'm trying to see which meat I should take. This looks like it's got a lot of fats. But I guess I could do the really fatty ones fried and the ones without fat stewed. So we can take this. I like the price. Okay. Now we need chicken. Here are some chicken breasts. I need just a bit. And some greens. Guys, I realized I was talking for such a long time and I hadn't even pressed record. Can you imagine? Okay, so juices. The juices that I always have to have are orange, cranberry. I like cranberry because I can mix it in my wine to make it sweeter. So we're getting that. And then I don't see orange. Oh, here it is. Orange. And then I like apple and orange, but I don't see it. Like apple and cranberry mixed together, but I don't see that. Let's see this side. Oh yeah, here it is. This is my favorite to drink on its own, but I can also mix this one with wine, so that's a plus. And the last drink is usually apple or grape, or like it can be either or. I think today, oh, there's a smaller apple and cranberry here, but no, I think I'm gonna go for the bigger one. And since I'm taking a bigger one of that, I think I'll just take 3 instead of 4. Yeah. Guys, because of all my teeth issues, I am trying to stay away from this section here, from the sweets section, but I can do these other types of snacks. I don't know which ones to get though. You know, I don't know which snacks to get. And then when I go home, I'm going to regret not getting anything. But while I'm actually here, I don't know which snacks to get. So that's great. That's just great.
Still learning how to live on purpose.
So guys, this is the part that I thought I was recording, but I actually hadn't pressed the record button. I was talking about eggs. So I don't eat a lot of eggs, but I do use them for baking and whatever. So I went with the 15 large free range, which is right over here, because well, these are gonna be enough for me for a really, really long time.
But I'm floating, and another tidal wave is coming, treading water. It's gonna sink me down to the bottom. I know I'll rise to the surface.
We're successfully done with our shopping. We came in under budget, which is good. I didn't manage to get a few stuff though, but we got the important stuff, which is great, I think. I hope you guys can hear me though.
Just being cruel.
We're back. So I've just changed into some more comfortable bottoms, and now we are about to start what's it called, packing or unpacking the stuff from the bags into the fridge. So let's do that. Turn the click off for me.
Da 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 da. Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to mom's. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a down piece. Back me and I never leave your side, babe. You know I'm gifted with
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open.
So I had a budget of 1,000 and we managed to stay under 1,000. So that's great. I didn't get a few stuff as I mentioned earlier, but I can survive without those things, so it's okay. I'm probably not going to shop for them until the next time I actually need to do a big shopping, so that's really okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.